On behalf of St. Mary's Metric High School, it's my privilege to welcome you all assembled here to celebrate the Children's Day. This day is an important one in every child's life. A child is like a tender and lovely bud who has just started to bloom. This is the time when the child needs the utmost care of the parents, teachers, and all those who are connected with his or her life. Now I would like to welcome our respected correspondent, principal, administrator, teachers, non-teaching staffs, and you, the celebrants of the day, to enjoy all the various activities that we have planned for you on this wonderful occasion. Enjoy the day and wish you all a great Children's Day. Thank you.
A nursery rhyme or a song that involves particular directions or acting out of certain movements to go along with the lyrics is known as an action song. 3rd and 4th standard children are coming to sing action song and we welcome them.
Good morning to all. We are the children of the world. We have hearts and smiles. We are the shining stars of today. We are the shining stars of today. We are the future of the nation. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. We are the birds in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are the dear to God. We are the dear to God. We are the golden heart. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you to all.
Hi everybody, I am happy to meet you all at this great moment. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. We are here to entertain you by forming compound words. A compound word is a word that is made up of 2 or more words. Usually 2 words which are put together to form a new meaning. For examples, ice cream, seafood, etc. Students, keep your eyes on them. They are going to do magic for you.
Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all. I am Ajay Yadidi from first standard. I am Prathna from first standard. Bed, be the bed. Room, room. Bedroom, B-E-D-R-O-O. Yeah. Bedroom. Key, K-U-G. Board. B-O-A-R-D. Board. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Wood cup. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R. A-J-D. H-E-A-D. Hammer. Cupcake. C-U-P-C-P-C-K-E. Cupcake. Thank you to all.
May I invite our correspondent to present the bouquet to our chief guest. It is a fundamental goal of human life that if the approach is good, the response is good. It is said by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Here, our chief guest will give a short speech.
Good evening to all. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am first Prime Minister of India. My father's name is Motilal Nehru. My mother's name is Prani. I love children very much. Children call me Chacha Nehru. My favorite number is Rose. To be successful in life, what you need is education. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. A verb is a word which describes the action in a sentence. Now, our third standard students going to perform a regular forms. Let's watch and enjoy.
Good afternoon to all. I'm Devisha from third standard. Hello everyone, I'm a verb. Without me, you are nothing. You cannot write, you cannot speak, and at the most, you cannot do anything. Now, you may understand the importance of me in your lifetime. People call me with different names like action words or doing words. I tell something about a person or a thing in a sentence. So, I'm going to say my regular forms. Verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. I am Patil Priyan from 3rd standard, verb 1. I am Ashwin from 3rd standard, verb 2. I am Inida from 3rd standard, verb 3. Accept, accepted, accepted. Achieve, achieved, achieved. Attack, attacked, attacked. Act, acted, acted. Borrow, borrowed, borrowed. Bother, bothered, bothered. Celebrate, celebrated, celebrated. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. Clear, cleared, cleared. Dried, dried, dried. Damage, damaged, live, lived, lived, name, named, named, plan, planned, land, played, 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 share, shared, shared, thank, thanked, thanked, use, used, used, wait, wanted, waited, waited, want, wanted, wanted, wash, washed, washed, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you to all.
Here I invite Master Vivian Anto to recite a Tamil poem.
Good afternoon to all. I am Vivian Anto from 3rd standard. குழந்தைய தின வாழ்த்து கவிதை கூற வந்துள்ளேன். மழலை கூட்டத்தின் ராஜா, வெள்ளை உள்ளம் வெள்ள பேச்சும் பிள்ளை குணமும் கொண்டவராம். ரோஜா தோட்டத்து மழலை கூட்டத்தின் ராஜாவிடவே வாழ்ந்தவராம். துடிப்பு மிக்க இளைஞராய் புரட்சிகள் செய்த தலைவராம். காந்தியோடு அகிம்சை வழியில் கைகோர்த்து நடந்த நட்புறவாம். சிறை வாழ்வில் கூட படைப்புகளை படைத்த பேரறிஞருமாம். வெள்ளை உள்ளம் வெள்ள பேச்சும் பிள்ளை உணவும் கொண்டவராம். ரோஜா தோட்டத்து மழலை கூட்டத்தின் ராஜாவெனவே வாழ்ந்தவராம். சமரச பேச்சில் வல்லவராம். பிரச்சனை களையும் நல்லவராம். அனைவ ஆசிய ஜோதியுமாம். மனிதர்களிலே மாணிக்கமாம். நவீன இந்தியாவின் சிற்பியுமாம். குழந்தைகள் கொஞ்சம் மாமாவாம். பண்டிகையில் பெருநாளில் குழந்தைகள் கூட்டத்தை வாழ்த்திடுவோம். அவர் குறும்புகள் ரசித்து மகிழ்ந்திடுவோம். எதிர்கால பாரதம் வடிவமைக்க நல்ல குணங்களை திறன்களை வளர்த்திடுவோம். வெள்ளை உள்ளம் மெல்ல பேச்சும் பிள்ளை குணமும் கொண்டவராம். ரோஜா தோட்டத்து மழலை கூட்டத்தின் ராஜாவிடவே வாழ்ந்தவராம். நேரு ராஜாவிடவே வாழ்ந்தவராம். நன்றி. ஹாப்பி சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் டே.
Tongue twisters are a great way to practice and improve pronunciation properly, gently, speedily, successfully, and fluently. So, I invite 4th standard Master Josephine Anthony to twist his tongue and challenge us.
Good afternoon to all. Tongue twister. She, sees, cheese. She, sees, cheese. She, the tooth fat cat sat on the rug. The tooth fat cat sat on the rug. The big 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 fat cat sat on the rug. Double bubble gum bubbles bubbles. 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 Sunsets on the sunset. Sunsets on the sunset. Sunset 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 on the sunset. Kitty got the guitar in the kitchen. 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 Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, upper roller, upper roller, upper roller, upper roller, upper roller. Sharp, stop, stop, sharp, 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 stop, sharp, 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 stop, sharp. Thank you.
Colorful morning to everybody. Here comes our student to say tricky riddles. Tricky riddles not only provide fun but also encourage the student to think creatively. Today we are going to tell you now tricky riddles can help our student to learn English in better way. Let's invite our kids on the stage with their tricky riddles.
Good evening to all. Hi, I am Andrea. I am studying 5th standard. Hey, I starts with the T, ends with the T, and within me is T. What am I? The answer is teapot. Hey, I am a king who's good at measuring stuff. What am I? The answer is a ruler. Do you know we are brothers from the same mother, but we have never met? Who are we? The answer is day and night. What's green but not a leaf? Copies others but not a monkey. What am I? The answer is a parrot. What sleeps the day and cries through the night? The more it cries, the more it creates light. What am I? The answer is a candle. Thank you. Good afternoon all. And start. People buy me to eat, but never eat me. What am I? Answer is a plate. Every evening I get my assignment and I always fulfill. But every time I get scolded. What am I? Answer is an alarm clock. It only increases but never decreases. What is it? Answer is our age. Who makes two while being seated? Answer is chess player. What gets wet when drying? Answer is a towel. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Happy to meet you all on this great moment. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Dear students, we never use father's full name in front of our name for every time. So, we use first letter only, that is called initial. Like that, abbreviations are short forms of lengthy expressions or words. It consists of a group of letters taken from the word. If the first letter of the word begin with the capital letters, the abbreviation should begin with capital letters too. Let's welcome our 6th standard students to say some abbreviations.
Happy noon to all. I am Anta Krishni from 6th standard. Now I am here to say some abbreviations. ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau. AICS, All India Council of Sports. BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. BDO, Block Development Officer. BCI, Bar Council of India. Thank you. Happy noon to all. I am K. Abhishek from 6th standard. Now I am going to say some abbreviation. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. CBR, Central Board of Revenue. CCI, Cricket Club of India. CCTV, Closed Circuit Television. DEO, District Educational Officer. Thank you. Happy noon to all. I am Ganimodi from 6th standard. Now I am going to say some abbreviations. EMI, Equator Monthly Installment. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. FIR, First Information Report. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. HC, High Court. Thank you. Happy noon to all. I am V. Savana Catherine from 6th standard. Now I am here to say some abbreviations. HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools. IAF, Indian Air Force. IAS, Indian Administrative Service. IBM, International Business Machines. Thank Council, MCI, Medical Council of India, NRI, Non-Resident Indian, PAN, Personal Account Number, PSC, Public Service Commission. Thank you.
Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. I wish you happy Children's Day to all. Conversation is an interactive communication between two or more people. The goal of communication is to unite with others. The way you speak to a friend is very different than the way you speak with a teacher in a classroom. Now, our students are here to entertain us through their small skit conversation at classroom. I am sure you will find these conversations helpful to help you to learn English and to be fluent in the language.
The teacher enters the class. Students greet the teacher and he takes the attendance.
Good morning, my dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
How are you all?
We are fine, thank you, sir.
You are welcome. I am happy to see you all again. Okay. Give your attendance. Alvin.
Present, sir.
Melvin.
Yes, sir.
Melvin, why were you absent for last 3 days?
Because I attended my sister's marriage, sir.
3 days of leave is too much during this exam time.
Sorry, sir. The marriage function was at Chennai, so I had to take leave for 3 days.
This time it's okay, but hereafter don't take leave.
Surely, sir, I won't. Thanks, sir. By the time a girl came late to school and standing outside the class. Excuse me, sir, may I come in?
Yeah, get it.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning. Why are you late?
Sorry, sir, I went to hospital.
Why? What is the matter?
My grandma is admitted in the hospital.
What happened to your grandma?
Yesterday she fell down in washroom.
Oh, so sad. But don't worry, she will recover soon. Did you get the letter slip from principal?
Yes, sir, here it is.
Okay, then go to your place.
Thank you, sir.
Now let's start the class.
Excuse me, sir. May I open the window, sir?
It's too hot, I think. Open it. Anyone say what day is today?
Major, sir.
Okay, Alvin.
Today is Tuesday, sir.
That's nice. Sit down. Melvin.
Yes, sir.
What date is today?
Today November 14, sir.
I'm not hearing your voice. Speak louder.
Today November 14, sir.
That's good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's move to lesson.
Children are the future. Nurture them in a right way so that they will grow up to be the leaders to lead the world towards light. So, here a student from 9th standard, Miss Annette Ruby, will deliver a speech on Children's Day.
Hi friends, I am Annette Ruby. Let me begin by wishing you all an excellent Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in different dates in many countries. However, in India, it is celebrated on 14th November every year. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a great freedom fighter, a wonderful orator, and also a very good writer. He is known as architect of modern India. Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His father Motilal Nehru was a lawyer by profession. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day because of his great love and affection towards children. Children liked him and called him as Chacha Nehru. He had a great vision for children. He once said, "Today's children are tomorrow's citizens. True development of the country lies in the development of the children." He played a key role for making a new India. It is celebrated to spread awareness about the rights and welfare of the children. Serving the country with his hardship, Nehru passed away on 27th May 1964. Children are a very valuable asset for the future of the nation. His work for the country's development and independence can never be forgotten. So let us spread this message and make this day a memorable one. Thank you.
Dear friends, communication is a skill. It serves as a bridge to connect two opposite sides, two people, different communities, and etc. This communication is done through medium of different languages, especially the English language, which is the universal language spoken by many people all over the world. Therefore, it is important that we not only learn the language but also must be able to speak without error. When the language is spoken wrongly, there arise chaos, misunderstanding, etc. When the language is spoken correctly, there comes peace, confidence, and understanding. Therefore, through this small exercise, we will learn how to avoid common mistakes that we commit whenever we speak in English language. Let's welcome them.
Hello everyone. I am Clifford from 10th standard and he is.
Hi friends, I am Jason from 10th standard.
We have come here to help you. You may wonder what help we can do for you, but it's very simple and useful for you to speak correct English. Usually, without our knowledge, we make simple mistakes while talking. So, dear friends, I will say some sentences with common error. You must find the error. Okay, now let's start. I am sick since last Wednesday. Find the error.
I have been sick since last Wednesday.
You came yesterday, isn't it? Find the error.
You came yesterday, didn't you?
I have come to school by walk. Find the error.
I come to school on foot.
Alcohol is injurious for health. Can you find the error?
Alcohol is injurious to health.
My father is in the home. Can you find the error?
My father is at home.
What is time? Please find the error.
What is the time, please?
It was him. Who did it? Find the error.
It was he who did.
I tried and come. Find the error.
I will try to come. Thank you, friends.
May I invite our school choir group to present a song on children.
chief guest, our correspondent sir, principal sir, all teacher and staff members, a very good afternoon to you all. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to stand here to propose a vote of thanks on this Children's Day celebration. As we know, children are the future of a country. Every child should remember that they are the foundation of the country, so they should make their life disciplined, cleaned, productive, and full of ambition. Dear children, today you are the hero and heroines of this program, so be happy and enjoy your childhood. On this note, I would like to conclude my speech and extend special thanks to our honorable chief guest, our correspondent sir, principal sir, management committee, administrator, respected teacher and respected parents for making this event a memorable day for us. Wish you all happy Children's Day. Thank you.